I went to the paint store to get thinner. It didn't work. Hey, what's up, Flocking Model Railroaders? Welcome, new crew and true crew. Thank you for your likes, subs, comments, and shares. Well, this knuckleheaded coupler entered a JacJac contest. So this is the build for JacJac for October 2021. This is the model kit using wood, paper, plastic, and metal, and modified from its original intent. So in this case, this is the DPM Freight Depot kit, which I converted into a wood shop, which I named JR Kitchen and Cabinet. The roof is cardboard and construction paper that's spray painted and lightly sanded to make little tar strips. The extra chimney is a little coffee stirrer straw. The side vents on the side of the wood shop are actually parts of rivets with glued onto a plastic sign with pieces of toothpick sawed off in the middle. The side structure is made with popsicle sticks that were cut down and dyed a little bit of gray color, and then I made an imprint of some roofing metal sheets, the 4x8 metal sheets, and glued them on the top. There's also a earring back for the light over the door. All the signs are custom printed paper. Any other questions, just let me know in the comments. Here's some of the build process and how I did it. Thanks guys, hope your track is all clear. You know I'll be running down the track as I'm building it.